Bro, remember when crypto was actually cool? When they told us it was anonymous, decentralized, and the government couldn't touch our bags? Yeah, that was a fun fairy tale. Wake up, because while you were trading meme coins, the government literally built a full financial prison around you. And the doors just locked. I literally warned you guys about this. In my last video, I broke down the massive trap they set up for 2026. If you haven't watched it, pause this video and go watch it. But here's the short version. They created a 4-step matrix. First, MiCA forces platforms to fully identify you. Second, the travel rule tracks exactly where you send your money. DAC8 is literally an automated snitch that sends your crypto balances to your local tax office. And CRF is the global boss making sure 50+ countries know about your money. Together, it's full control. You're no longer wallet OX ABCD, you're a person with a name, an ID number, and a target. But there is still a glitch in the matrix. Today we're looking at the ultimate lifeboat. Grab a snack because today we're breaking down how people are staying private in crypto in 2026. Look, the big boys like Binance, Coinbase, they're completely folded. They're fully regulated platforms now. But if you look past the mainstream, there is a second tier of exchanges, the offshore ghost. These guys are based in places like Seychelles or Mauritius. They don't have EU offices, they don't care about MiCA, and most importantly, they don't force you to show your ID when you're trying to withdraw your own money. Enter Max, the absolute king of no-KYC right now. Bro, they literally let you withdraw up to 10 Bitcoin a day with zero verification. All you need is just an email. Sure, European regulators hate them. They put out warnings constantly, but Max just ignores them. But, and this is a massive but, it's high risk. Max is known for doing some shady stuff. If they see dirty crypto hitting your wallet, they will immediately freeze it. There are a lot of cases on Reddit, on X, when people are claiming their account got blocked and they have nothing to do with it. So use it as a bridge and not your main wallet. Like in and out. That's it. Don't like Max? You got CoinX. Super loyal to the anonymous crowd, letting you pull out up to $10,000 a day. You got Bitunix, the new aggressive player stealing users from Binance, BingX, Famex, Bitrue. The offshore market is fighting back. But remember that CRF rule I mentioned? Yeah, these islands might eventually send your data, so you gotta stay paranoid. Okay, so you have your crypto hidden on your hardware wallet. Cool. But you still need to pay for your groceries, right? You need to pay for Netflix. How do you spend your money without a taxman seeing your transactions? If you send it to a normal bank or a normal EU crypto card, DAC8 automatically snitches on you. The solution? Offshore crypto cards. It's literally a cheat code some people use. You have a fintech company registered in Panama, Hong Kong, or in the UAE, you send USDT to their app. You go to a coffee shop in Spain or Germany, you tap your phone, and the terminal thinks it's just a tourist from Dubai buying his latte. No DAC8, no automatic tax reporting. You're a ghost. What are people actually using in 2026? Pay out of Hong Kong is massive right now. Works with Apple Pay. Yeah, they ask for KYC, but the data stays in Asia. Rain out of Bahrain. Elite tier, super reliable. PayPal out of Dubai. Yeah, it glitches sometimes, but for small daily spans, it's perfect. Just don't be stupid, bro. If you're swiping your Pay card to buy $100,000 Porsche in Berlin, yeah, the questions will be asked. Keep it for your lifestyle expenses. Now, what if you're moving big money? What if you're a guy who spends $50,000 on Facebook ads every month? A random offshore card is gonna get banned instantly. That is where we enter wealthier corporate cards. Rich people don't use personal bank accounts. They use corporate umbrellas. You open a company in a crypto-friendly place like the BVI or Hong Kong, that company opens a crypto fiat account and the service gives you a corporate card. Bro, listen to this. If you buy $1,000 dinner with a card in a very expensive restaurant, the system doesn't see you spending that money. It sees a foreign corporation paying for their employees for some marketing business lunch. you're completely separated from the transaction. Services like Fuzz in Singapore, Tribal Credit, Tetris in Hong Kong, or platforms like PSTNet or AnyBill, which are carrying the entire arbitrage community right now, they literally let you generate thousands of virtual Visa cards. You fund it with USDT, and to the banking system, you're just an anonymous employee 452 of a massive ad agency. The privacy is insane. But what if you want zero KYC? What if you want no passport, no fake company, just the old school crypto anonymity that we used to? Platforms like Bitrefill or Coinsbee, this is 10 out of 10 for privacy. You want a new laptop? You spend Bitcoin to Bitrefill, no question asked, they give you an Amazon voucher and you buy your laptop. This is zero connection between your identity and your crypto wallet. Also look into true no KYC crypto cards, such as Bitfree or SolCard. But warning, the fees are crazy high and they can shut down tomorrow, so it's like Wild and West. And remember, if you put all your money on some random no KYC crypto exchange on Seychelles, you can lose your money tomorrow. So the smart play, diversify. Keep the main stash cold. Use offshore crypto cards such as Pay for some daily coffee and Bitrefill for some big purchases. And never ever link your real IP address to some offshore stuff. The rules are changing every month and YouTuber is gonna suppress this content very soon. So drop like, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.